Here we have two parallel 8-ton Mitsubishi Multi-City units. Serves several different evaporators throughout this building. These two are parallel together by use of a twinning kit from Mitsubishi. So we've got 16 tons total between these two units. And what kind of hokiness do we have going on here, you may ask? Well, we had a severe leak inside that has now been repaired, but it was severe enough to dump the whole charge, about 126 pounds R410A we lost on this thing. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and we are not quite evacuated down below 500 microns yet, and we're going to leave this pump go, well, actually for a little bit over a day. I'll be returning on Friday. So I've got some fresh oil in the vacuum pump, and I'm going to wish it good luck. Hope it continues to run. And then we got to keep our pump dry. So again, as hokey as it looks, had to use whatever means necessary and available to me. Got my vacuum pump underneath that box there. You may be able to see too, the very top of that vacuum pump, you may see the top of a solenoid. That's pretty important on a system this big. There's the solenoid. Because should we happen to lose power, or should somebody be cruel enough to unplug my extension cord there, this unit in the system can suck all the oil out of my vacuum pump and into the system, which is not compatible with the system, and would be very, very hard to almost impossible to get out of the system. We'd have to do whatever we had to do, but we can cause big problems, not just in these units, but throughout the whole entire building. These two units here feed about 5 different indoor evaporators in 3 different classrooms. So it could be big problems. And here we got 3 more 8-ton Mitsubishi City-Multi units. So we're only down about 3,000 microns at the moment. We want to get her down at least to 500, and we want it to be at 500 for at least an hour. And then we also want to go ahead and valve the system off and see if we rise. Mitsubishi says if we don't rise above 1 torr, what is a torr then? Well, a torr is about 1,000 microns. So if we don't rise any more than 1,000 microns, and hopefully less than that, then we would consider that a good evacuation with likely no moisture in it or refrigerant. So we're going to leave this thing run here a little bit. Hopefully we'll be down below 500 microns when I return on Friday morning to hopefully see my vacuum pump still running.